Come check out this Canvas 8 move-in ready home located in our gated neighborhood at Copper River Ranch. You're gonna love it. Let's check it out. The first thing you notice when you step through this gorgeous wrought iron front door is the wood plank tile flooring that you'll find throughout the common areas. And check out this laundry room that features a sink with quartz countertops and upgraded cabinets above. Now check out this open concept living space that combines this beautiful kitchen with a dining space and a great room. This kitchen features quartz countertops, upgraded white cabinets, this beautiful marble tile backsplash, a 5-burner gas cooktop, a large pantry, and a smart oven. And to top it off, you'll notice this 9-foot sliding door that allows for tons of natural light into your open living space. Now let's go into the master bedroom. This large, spacious bedroom connects you right into this bathroom that features this beautiful tile, quartz countertops, upgraded white cabinets, a tiled-in tub, a large step-in shower, and a huge walk-in closet. And that's not all. This home gives you access to a beautiful community pool, perfect for catching the summer sun. This Canvas 8 is move-in ready and is located in our Canvas Collection gated neighborhood at Copper River Ranch. This home includes tons of upgrades, window coverings, and backyard landscaping. Visit our Copper River Ranch sales office for more information or visit gvhomes.com.